Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Mr. Haji Popo Suryana, SAMSI, and Mrs. Lira Mustika, SAMM, as a lecturer for the Business Feasibility Study course. Here we are from a group of 9 WUS members, and myself, Vina Aprilia, NRP 20401037, and my college.
My name is Fadia Nur Kalsum and my MFP 2040100026
We'll present the result of our discussion until dessert box. Business feasibility study is way or method consisting of various aspects to assess whether or not an activity to be carried out is feasible. The result obtained is to accept or reject an investment on commercial offer. Market and marketing aspect. Market analysis. The dessert box business has enormous potential because people consumption level are increasing over time compared to normal conditions. Besides that, dessert box business competition is very tight following the many business actors who are involved in the same business world. Background. Dessert box is one of the snack dessert cake product that is currently in great demand by consumers. Unlike ordinary dessert which is served on a plate, dessert box can be eaten on the spot. Sweets arranged in the transparent box usually consists of several layers, such as sponge cake, sweet cream, a pinch of cocoa powder, cookies and decoration edge. Make this dessert the right alternative to accompany your relaxation moment with friend and family. Market analysis from the research that has been carried out 3 to 5 business that have been doing business in the same field. In the addition to the business we have established today have carried out online and offline seller that can make it easier for consumers who like our Lumer dessert box, as well as the taste that is review from customers who like it on average. Market analysis what and first trends. This business is able to fulfill business license basis that it has professional employees who are trained in the respective expensive. And through weakness, this business is easy to imitate because people like food that are well known. And the opportunity for this business is to be able to compete with other snack business and to expand the marketing or by increasing promotion on social media to reach the global market. And for the threat from this business in the number of competitors that continues to increase and seen for the people who follow the growth of time like this. Marketing mixed trust strategy. First, product. The food that we product is a dessert box, which is very suitable for this millennial era, so it will never go out of style. We ask low-calorie dog ingredients, so consumers don't have to worry about their weight gain unless they consume it continuously. And two, price. Each dessert box cup can be reached at a price 15,000 for the cheese Oreo variant. And place determining the location of the business, namely in my own house, which is location in Bandung, can save cost, rental space, and is easy to obtain raw materials. The location of this business is very strategic and easy to reach. Conclusion of market and marketing analysis. From the analysis of marketing potential, market share, and marketing strategy, this dessert box business is able to meet demand, and this product is able to reach a broad target of promotional activities, both core on out, online and offline.
Chapter 2, Production Technical and Technological Aspect. A. Business Location Analysis. The location of the business to be carried out is in Komplek Melon Garden, Jalan Vakaraya nomor 50, which is location near the highway. This location is very strategic because it is in the center of the crown, so that the existence of this business is very easy for customer and distributor to know. The production area analysis. The production area of this business is capable of production and output of 320 cups per day. The distribution of this product can spread to all areas of South Cimahi and Bandung. Because this product is promoted through internet media, which has a very wide scope. C. Factory layout analysis. Your business does not have a factory because your business is only a home business. D. Technology radiance analysis. The technology used in production and activity is simple technology such as cooking utensils in general. However, this technology is able to produce a lot of output. Then to promote your business using a smartphone. A. Consultation of technical and technological aspect analysis. From the analysis of business location, product area, factory layout, and technological readiness, it can be concluded that the position of the company place of business is very strategic. Even though we don't have a factory yet, your business has been able to meet the demand for 10 cups per day. Then to promote this business on social media, we use smartphones so that your business can spread in the Bandung area.
Three, human resource aspect. A. Job requirement analysis. The business requires a workforce of 2 employees in the field of making dessert box, 1 employee in the field of marketing and accounting, and 1 employee in the field of delivery courier. For initial wages per month age generated approximately 300,000 per person. B. Analysis of the ability to meet manpower. 1. Field of manufacture dessert box. F. The ability to communicate well, able to carry out the task well, ability to adapt to the environment, critical thinking and problem solving, ability to make the right decisions, ability to work in a team, discipline, Nibble, Hannis, and Traub. Marketing field demonstrates effectiveness in holding conversation with customer and in product development. Have the ability to coordinate team effort of different creative employees, provide useful advice and input for the business, and last active on social media. Dev, Hannes, and Trok. And 3 accountants. 1. Know and understand the science of finance and accounting and its implementation. And 2. Discipline, Nibble, and Trok. And 3. Trustworthy, fire, Hannes, and not prejudice. And last, have competence and professionalism in work. 4. File of delivery courier. And 1. Discipline, nimble, and strong. And 2. Can drive to wheel it or 4. Will with list. And 3. Ability to make the decision quickly and accurately. And last, Hannis, friendly and trustworthy. And the analysis of the origination structure plan. This organizational structure consists of owner, finance, operational, marketing, and employees. A conclusion of feasibility aspect of management and human resource from the analysis of project schedule, workforce requirement, ability of qualified workforce, organizational structure. So it can be concluded that this business activity can run systematical and with a clear organizational structure. Based that the company can meet the need of labor and the availability of workers who are expert in this field is very much.
Chapter 4 Aspect Legality. Analysis suitability business with law. The legal aspect is an important thing to consider a project, including a business project. One of the goals of aspect analysis law is for know legality something business. Legality is released from how the actuality of the legal entity in accordance with The idea business. From of business activity in the box owner is a sole proprietorship because the dessert box owner business has only been going on for a few weeks. Location his business is not like that either where the sole proprietorship form is the right legal entry when fired from the ability to manage business and activity. The analysis ability fulfill licensing. In an individual business, there are no statutory relegation, only have permit for permit to rent, permits to land, owner, and location permit in a manner oral. C. Support government and public local. Government support with the government business blocks lunar business provide a lot of support for ME entrepreneur is particular relate about permission business in the file culinary. Support public local community with this dessert block the community aspect set something a new product because this dessert box is a dessert product held that has various benefits for the whole community and the consumers so that safe for in consumption. The consumption appropriateness aspect law. In this legal aspect, a business is extended to have business actor which according to business which will run and also has own licensing business which clear and complete so that something business can help in accordance with regulation which there is.
5. Aspek finansial. A. Source funding. Description. Capital loan. Yang presentasi yang A sampai H itu tertera yaitu 3 juta dan totalnya 24 juta. And loan persennya 0 semua. Terus totalnya yaitu 24 juta. B. Analisis forestry initial investment. Nomor 1 yaitu aset steel. Yang pertama pensmal 2 pieces, harganya 20.000. Yang kedua gas 3 kilo 1 unit. Yang ketiga regulator plus hose regulators, harganya 85.000. Yang gas 3 kilo 120.000. Yang keempat spoon vegetable 2 pieces, yang satunya 14.000 yaitu total 28.000. Yang kelima tablet harganya 2 juta. Yang keenam knife 2 pieces, yang satunya harga 10.000 yaitu total 20.000. Yang ketujuh refrigerator harganya 1.800.000. Yang kedelapan stove harganya 276.000. Total aset steel yaitu 4.369.000. Yang kedua capital work, material cost raw harganya 3.795.000, totalnya 3.795.000. Yang ketiga cost operasional which is employee 300.000 dikali 7 yaitu total 2.100.000. Cost electricity and water 1 juta 1 juta dan totalnya 3.100.000. Dan total semua yaitu 11.264.000. Fund which is are available capital loan yaitu 24 juta. Cash flow enter C. Shrinkage investment dibagi economical 4.369.000 dibagi 4 yaitu 1.092.250. Shrinkage 1.092.250 per year. So estimasi report profit and loss yaitu total 81 juta 81 juta. Cost which go out total cost 45.540.000. Depresiasi 1.092.250. Totalnya 46.632.250. Profit before tax atau EBT 35.367.759. Tax 0,5%. 35,367,759 yaitu 176.839. Profit after tax EAT yaitu jadinya 35.190.920. Genre cash enter clean it plus compilers yaitu 35.190.920 tambah 1.092.250. Income-nya yaitu 36.283.130. The 0,5% tax is about obtained from the governing income tax law article 2021 income business small which is income the gross kurang dari 4,8 M in us for us. Di estimation cash flow komponen cost enter investment 2021 11.264.000, 2022 0, 2023-nya 0, 2024-nya 0. Income di 2021 yaitu 81 juta, di 2022 sama dan seterusnya sampai 2024. Dan total cash enter di 2021 92.264.000, di 2022 sampai 2024 yaitu sama yaitu 81 juta. Cash go out purchase aset still 2021 11.264.000. Wages and wages di 2021 2.100.000 sampai 2024 yaitu 2.100.000. Electricity and water 1 juta di 2021 sampai 2024 sama. Electricity and water 2021 sampai 2024 yaitu sama 1 juta. Screen Cats 2021 1.092.250 sama sampai 2024. Total cash go out yang 2021-nya 15.456.000. 250, 2022 4.192.000, 2023 4.192.000, dan 2024 sama. Surplus 76 juta di 2021 sampai 2024 sama, yaitu 76.807.750. Balance beginning cash 2021-nya 0, 2022 76.807.750. Di 2023 153.615.500. 2024 230.423.250. Balance and cash yang 2021-nya 76.807.750, yang 2022 153.615.500, 2023 230.423.250, 2024 307.231.000. Payback periode. PP sama dengan 24 juta dibagi 36.283,170 dikali 12 bulan, yaitu 7,9 bulan. The Deezer box business is considered feasible because of the payback periode business daring 7,9 bulan kurang 4 tahun egg project. F average rate of returns total it 35.190.920 ditambah 35.190.20 tambah 35.190, yaitu 140.763.680. Average AET 140.763.680 dibagi 5, yaitu 35.190,920. Average investment 24 juta dibagi 2 sama dengan 12 juta. G. Net present value. Tahun pertama, kedua, dan sampai keempat sama proses, yaitu 36.283,170. PV of proceed 30 sama, yaitu 36.283,170. Nah, income-nya yaitu 145 juta, 132.680. Initial cash 4.369.000. NPV-nya 140,763,680. Business Deezer box rated worthy because smart NVP besar 0 that is as big 140.763.680 rupiah. H. Profitability Index. BA 140.763.680 dibagi 24 juta dikali 100%, yaitu 5,86. Business Deezer box rated worthy because smart PI besar dari 1 that is 5,86.
6. Aspect informal life. A. Analysis environment operational. 1. Supplier. Supplier of raw material in the form of milk, sugar, cornstarch, and cocoa in the operational activity of this business, namely originating from one shop at New Harvesting that the selected supplier criteria are honest, disciplined, reliable, and always able to provide the ingredients still worth consumed and no contaminated substance dangerous to customer. From data which obtained lots public, which like dessert, develop is food costing. From cake which stored in a food box makes a sweet tooth can enjoy direct without most putting to on plate. So that can predicted also that customer which interested for consumer but food covered dessert box. This really lots. 3. Employee. In terms of employees of labor, this step up a business, this dessert box, together consist of 7 people, which one provide finance input for use freshmen who jump into the work business. They analyze every moment on industry. 1. Food costing. Box shape is not a new product, so no can be net exists competitor in industry making food costing this process on industry food costing, which still simple and easy to learn. So many business people do deep field business food costing. This in Indonesia alone, almost most industries small no medium which focus his effort in making dessert box this. 3 is some small business are engaged in this field, but with product innovation and differentiation using ingredients from chocolate and milk. So business this create better new in world food cuisine. Uh, business dessert this summer box even compete in work industry. 2. Strength supplier. Strength supplier naturally very reasonable now because supplier are picked up at each store located in her standing. We can control the liquid ingredients easily. And also there are a few shops that we want to so we were to extend on just with terrible material raw will always can obtain it. 3. Strength buyer. From the data obtained, the people like to eat sweet and delicious dessert. The power the buyer on the resulting product will be high because of the resulting product by this business capable fulfill what which one by consumer. For obstacle enter. Barrier to entry of this product are quite easy because of this business always make new innovation in inhibiting entry competitor in product which same. C. Analysis environment fact. 3. Technology. The equipment used in making dessert box lumer is only simple equipment such as a stove, tube, spatula, and knife. However, in managing online and offline promotion, recording sales or purchase that is used technology smartphone. Although technology which now use still simple but can produce which lots for ecology. From the data obtained through research on the surrounding community local business mail dessert box, this not there is such pollution to the environment, judging from the input, the process of spending from activity business, this not three is all sort pollution. 5. Global. In an effort to reach the global environment, to make sales through via online, which if 3 are ordered by region outside the dessert box Lumer product can be sent to all regions with terribly rich market with even able happen.
Seven, aspek ekonomi and sosial. A. Impact positive economy. First, increase income family and help economy family, but do not rule out that one day our business run this success can become source income first. And two, on pride alone if business melted dessert box this which we run to be successful because we can do two jobs EA collect will work without most sacrifice wrong one. And three, our side business do it at home yourself, of course, free from rent a place. Four, three, no such things as layoffs for those of us who run it this effort box. Five, three is opportunity business. And six, in building a business dessert box Lumer that we run usually constrained by capital. And last, in building a business dessert box Lumer that we run is usually constrained by capital. B. Impact positive social. First, student, I with own business small in-house will own lots time together family our friend and can reduce cost wandering we can still in-house look for fortune. Second, if the rumor dessert box business that we run can be successful, of course it will need addition employ mother this can open land new job for friend with need. Three, in additional to this site employ 4, we have to be able to divide the time business at home with college. B. Impact positive social. Student I wish for own business small in-house will own large time together family and friend. And two, if the Lumer dessert box business that we run can be successful. And three, in additional to this side business, we studied I do it, however did not rule out the possibility of being pioneered with our family members, others. And four, we have to be able to divide the time business at home with colleagues. Five, we can know more about things related to business small as well as develop talk about that. Six, we also have to learn about marketing science, business management dessert box which we run. Seven, increase creativity and innovation in the field of our small business run, good micro and macro. Thank you.